Hey guys, what's going on? Rhett here down in Birmingham at a client's property that's under contract. The list price on it was $55,000. The client has it under contract for a little bit under 50, okay? And it needs a lot of work. It needs about 35,000 in work. Let's walk through it and I'll show you why it needs that much in work, okay? So, guys, I don't think this house has been touched since the 1970s, all right? You come in here, and first of all, every door, we'll start off with the doors. Every single door needs to be replaced, okay? We have old paneling in this house. It's bubbling. What we'll end up doing in here, we'll rip out all the paneling. We're gonna end up re-sheetrocking the entire house. The house needs all new drywall, okay? All of this disgusting cabinets, this is hideous. We'll rip all this stuff out. It's beyond repair, okay? It's all busted and broken. We'll rip all this stuff out. Every time you see paneling, we're gonna sheetrock it, okay? We're gonna rip it out and sheetrock it. The ceilings, guys, are falling apart. All this popcorn ceiling's falling apart. We have to redo all this, okay? We'll box in this laundry situation, okay? This is where your washer's gonna go, okay? So what we'll do is we'll create a box. We'll box this in. That way it's an easy connection point for your washer. So guys, actually while we're in here, there are vines growing in the house, okay? They're coming in, they're growing up, they're growing down, some of them are sprouting. It just shows you how much work needs to be done in here, okay? But in that same token, it's a beautiful street in a great area. So 35,000 for rehab, when the client's putting down 10 or 11,000, being all into this for under 50,000, it's gonna rent for over 1,000 a month. It's still an unbelievable return, okay? So, coming in here, guys, all these closet doors need to be replaced. All this paneling in here has been painted, but it's still paneling. So again, we'll take it down, we'll sheetrock all this stuff, make it really nice. As far as flooring goes, it needs all new flooring throughout the whole house. Everything needs to be updated. This carpet needs to be ripped up and replaced. We'll probably do carpet in here as well, okay? Take this ceiling fan down. It needs all new light fixtures throughout the whole thing. Again, we'll sheetrock all this stuff, take care of all this. It has a window unit here. We'll take the window unit out. There is an HVAC system outside. We're gonna have to bring in an HVAC guy and have all that set up so it's all reconnected, because right now it's not connected. Okay, it's a nice unit, but it's not connected. It'll need work on the fireplace. This has pieces of this old brick that are falling off and falling apart, okay? In here, same thing, carpet, we need all new carpets. We'll sheetrock everything in here. Okay, coming in here, guys, into our first bedroom. Good size. We need to redo the ceiling, redo the walls, redo the flooring, get rid of the fan. It needs everything. So guys, in every room, it needs everything. Now, it's not a full gut by any means, but it just needs a lot of work. It's gonna be beautiful once it's done. It's got a great layout. It's in a great area. We just have to make sure we do it the right way, which we will. So come on this way. So, careful. So, bedroom number 2, decent size, has a nice big closet, nice little alcove here also. Not a bad place, not a bad spot at all. But again, new light fixtures, all new paint, new closet doors. This door is a piece of crap, okay? Look at it. Somebody spray painted over it to make it look good. That's not new. Look at that. That's spray paint, okay? This whole wall is spray painted. Everything's spray painted. It's just not done right. It's done so shoddy, okay? Now, bathroom right in between. So both of these bedrooms share a common bathroom right here. Whole bathroom needs to be redone. New toilet, new vanity, tub reglazed, new flooring, has to be leveled out, has to be done the right way, okay? So everything in there needs to be redone. So guys, there's not a room that doesn't need work. Okay. Coming in here, we have the original flooring from the 1960s. Okay. Dust has been piling up here for a long time. So in this room also, New light fixtures. It actually looks like this is semi-new. It cracks me up when people come in here, they put in new ceiling fans and they spray paint the doors and they say, oh, here we go, you know, 60,000. All new doors, guys. This door is completely crooked. Could be from the humidity, bending the door. It could be from a lot of different things. But again, piece of crap. Look at that. Look at this door. How's that look? You know what I'm saying? So it just needs all new stuff, which is fine because we'll do it all. Obviously, all new flooring. Okay, needs a lot of work. But again, will be really nice when it's done. Coming back in here, guys. It's got a really good layout. That bedroom's right off the kitchen. It's got a really nice layout. There's some live wires around here that need to be taken care of by an electrician. The roof is really nice because it's a metal roof, so the roof doesn't need any work. There are no signs of, now there's some old signs of some water damage here, but you know, a lot of this could be just water damage and moisture from the fact that it's 85 degrees in this house. Some of it's older, but we don't know how old the popcorn ceiling is, so this moisture could be 20, 30 years old. It could be old damage. The roof on top is a lot newer and it's metal, so there's no active leaks in the house right now. And that's important because putting a new roof on is expensive. So we're looking at about 35,000, guys, to get this thing all up and done. It needs everything. It needs a new kitchen, it needs a new bathroom, it needs all new flooring throughout the whole house, all new paint throughout the whole house, all new sheetrock and drywall throughout the whole house. It needs the HVAC hooked up. We need to make sure that the electrical is taken care of, which there's a ton of things that are bad when it comes to electrical. We need to make sure that all these are done right. Obviously, we need covers for this. Everything's live in here, so I don't really want to touch anything. But there's a lot of electrical issues throughout the whole house that we'll have to rectify before it passes Section 8 inspection. So personally, I love the house. I think it's a home run. It's just going to be whether or not the client wants to spend $35 to get it done. Would I spend $35 to get it done? Every second of the week. I love houses like this that are totally falling apart crap. We come in, make them beautiful, and put tenants in them, okay? So personally, guys, I absolutely love this house. I think it's a complete home run, and I hope the client feels the same. Can't wait to see when it's done. Can't wait to bring you guys through it when it's done. So thanks for watching. Leave your questions and comments below. My email's below. If you want to buy something cool like this and redo it and get top of the market rent, that's guaranteed also. So guys, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.